Buongiorno everyone! Today I'm going to take you something totally out of the ordinary. I think actually this is the most out of the ordinary thing I've ever shown you. Today we are going into a shopping mall, actually a department store, La Rinascente. We are in Via del Tritone, Piazza Barberini, it's over there. And we are going inside, but we're not going shopping today, we're going ancient ruin hunting. Exactly, we're going ancient ruin hunting inside the department store. Let's go and have a look if you don't believe it. So we enter the mall and we look for the escalator and we go to level -1. So we are in level -1 in the kitchenware section. We walk towards the bottom of this area, towards the end, and when we turn to the left, there you have it. You see the wall here at the very end of this room? This is the wall of the Virgo aqueduct. This is the ancient Roman aqueduct of the Aqua Virgo, inaugurated in 19 BC by Agrippa, the most loyal man to the first emperor of Rome, Augustus. So Agrippa primarily inaugurated this aqueduct to provide water to his thermal baths, the first public thermal baths of Rome, the baths of Agrippa. And still today, this aqueduct feeds the water to some of the most famous fountains of Rome. The Trevi Fountain, the Barcaccia Fountain of Piazza di Spagna, Spanish Steps, and the Fountain of the Four Rivers in Piazza Navona. This area of the Rinascente is now dedicated to a restaurant area, which is now closed due to COVID restrictions. But imagine having your lunch or dinner in front of these ancient Roman ruins. Tell me, where else can this happen in the whole world? Rome is not only an outdoor museum. Rome is a place where even a department store and a shopping mall becomes a museum.